are you gonna do now? It's snowing. It's gonna be 28 degrees tonight.
Oh no.
I thought it was gonna be 80 degrees, but it's 28 degrees. I guess we're just gonna have to like call it done. Get out of here. Boom, since it's gonna be 28 degrees, we're gonna be in this tent right here. And this is gonna be our spot for tonight. Yes, me will be here. Jessica will be here. It's warm in here. I gotta turn this off real quick. It's really hot. Dang.
Let's go check out the deluxe glamping here at Ponderosa. I'm not really sure how much this costs. I have to do some research, maybe let you guys know. We don't want to go too far into people's business because I believe there are people staying here at the moment. Looks pretty cool though.
Avocado salad.
With cilantro. Freezing. It's good. Ako rin marunong dyan.
Di ba? Mas madali siya pagkaga.
Yeah. Philippines.
Philippine style.
Philippine style. Iitatong ko muna yung so fancy.
So fancy, huh? Okay, so we're gonna clean the grill. We moved to the glamping tents is because it's gonna be 28 degrees tonight, and we already did what 38 degrees yesterday. It was freezing in there last night with the heater on. We didn't really get to sleep as much, so tonight will be really comfortable. Good thing about it is it comes with breakfast. Camping to glamping at 28 degrees. There's a heater inside, so it'll be fun. I want to tell you this shit right now, but it's just...
Alright, Em. Ow! Ow! Aray! Putangin mo.
Behind that will be the carousel, is that what it's called? Wagon? The shaggin' wagon.
Conestoga.
Conestoga?
Conestoga wagon.
Conestoga wagons. And the sun's out. It's really nice. Thank you, son. Here's what's cooking. Make sure you put all the charcoal to the side so you don't burn.
Who has
the
stick? Ready?
Oh, we're matching, huh? Yes. For champions. Thank you, Davis. Tent and awning. It is what it says there, Davis. $140 lotion.
I don't have any wrinkles here. I am 70.
You gotta stay pokey, Hazel. Here's Hazel with his Curel.
This whole thing is bipolar, so let's see that. The sunny part of today is gone, and we're under this cloud. It might snow again, so we're gonna go eat inside. Diba? Ah, yeah.
We don't have ice.
It's snowing outside. Good thing we moved. Oh, I forgot my beer outside.
It's okay, we'll make it run once it stops.
Okay, thank you. We're just out here watching these deers eat. Hang around.
Where'd they go? It's his butt. You can't see his face. Hold on, I'm gonna turn around real quick so I can find them. Here he is. There's another one over here. There he goes. Hazel's a little afraid to get close to us.
They just wandering around. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, no, not them three, not the same three. So comfortable. Nah, I'm good, Jess. Filipinos don't do that. Yeah, they're just actually everywhere, and they're like comfortable walking around people, like right here.
See, it's two of them right there. Hello. He's actually gonna come up here and kick my ass. Yeah.
So this is our tent right here, and there's a few more here, and you have those ones over there, and you have a deer right here, and another deer right here, and the RVs are right here. All right, I'm gonna go take a shower and then close this vlog. Alright, this is towards the end of tonight. I just finished taking a shower. The shower is amazing. They have a really nice shower, hot water, high-end shower, and a nice view, and then heated bathrooms, and then this is where we're staying for tonight. Yeah, we're gonna go have some beers and see if I can take you guys with us. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Oh, I think it's the light.
On our last day, the weather turns out really nice. Like super nice. And we're checking out. So one thing you have to check is the weather. We knew what we were getting into, so we came prepared with the heaters, a big tent, canopy, thick blankets, multiple beds, air mattresses, like for backups and all that stuff. We have stuff for more than 4 people, but yeah, so we decided to try this glamping part of it since we're already here, so we take one trip, hit 2 birds with 1 stone. I'll see you guys at the next one.
Beginning, I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, 'cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, that richest girl alive, alive.